What's up, everybody? Aaron Lapman here, owner of Attention to Detail here in Highland, Indiana, and I wanted to first and foremost thank you for coming back to another YouTube video of ours. I wanted to do a full video and showcase on this 2026 Genesis GV80 in metallic black that we just did an Icon Rocklear showroom package to. So we coated everything from top to bottom, back to front. We did all of the exterior paint, all of the trims, the headlights, taillights, front grille, black plastics, mirrors, chrome emblems. We coated the rims, we coated the tires, and we coated all of the windows and tinted the front two windows to match the back windows. So this entire vehicle, this Icon showroom, looks literally so perfect. It came out fantastic. This Genesis is actually a black on black edition. So the rims are black, the paint's black, the trim's black, and the entire interior is black with black wood accents, black seats, black steering, everything. It is gorgeous. So I wanted to actually walk you through the entire process that we did here on this entire vehicle from start to finish and show you why we are the shop to get your Icon Rocklear application done at. Besides the fact that we have the entire territory of Indiana, we're the Northwest Indiana location for all of Icon Rocklear applications. Icon is a 15-year warranted coating that is up to 30% scratch-proof, chip-proof, and it has up to 25 times the strength than any ceramic coating on the market, up to 75 times stronger than any ceramic coating on the market, and up to 20 times UV and oxidation protection. This is a one and done application with a 15-year warranty. There is absolutely no need for reapplications, maintenance, none of that. This vehicle is sweet. I am so happy with it. Even the rims and the calipers just look so good. And that metallic pop is just gorgeous. So let me walk you through the entire process that we did with this vehicle. And I want to show you what we can do to yours. So the first step of any process when it comes into coatings with us here at Attention to Detail is our wash and decontamination process. So we start off by doing a full foam wash, remove all the main dirt and grime from the exterior. We clean up the rims, the tires, the wheel barrels inside, the wheel wells, the brake calipers, all the brake dust. We get all of that completely clean. We obviously clean all of the paint, and then we go in with a detail brush. It's very, very similar to a makeup brush. And we go around and we detail all the cracks, the crevices around all the window trims, around all the B pillars, C pillars, every piece around the mirrors, the headlights, every single piece of this grill was detailed by hand. That is anywhere between 3 and 4 hours of work on this grill. It is, I mean, it's literally perfect. So after we detail the whole thing, we clean the absolute crap out of it. Then we go into our decontamination process. So we start off by doing an iron decontamination on the paint. That's going to remove any iron particles, any brake dust, and any road grime. And that's very important because when these vehicles are brand new, they're actually painted a lot of time before you actually pick it up from the dealership. And that's something that you want to note because when it's sitting at the dealership, or I should say when it's sitting at the factory before it goes to ship to the dealership, the paint is one of the first steps in any process. So when it comes to the painting of the vehicle, and then it's sitting now at the factory, just like we have next to our shop a train, it's sitting next to a rail yard because that's how vehicles are transported. And so the iron particles just sit and cake on the exterior of the vehicle over time. So what we do is we do a chemical decontamination with an iron remover to remove any iron particles, any brake dust and road grime prior to our clay bar treatment. So the next step is our clay bar treatment. That's going to remove any embedded contamination that's in the paint, anything that you can't really see with your eyes, but you can actually feel it with your hands, and you can hear it as well. Some people know it as the plastic bag trick. So if you rub it with a plastic bag, if you can hear it and you can feel it, then you know that there's embedded contamination. So that's something that we do as well with a clay bar. It's about this big, a little clay sticky substance, and we rub it around with clay lube to remove any embedded contamination. After the clay bar treatment's done, we do a process called Icon Rip. Icon Rip is going to remove any waxes, sealants, dealership stuff that could be on the vehicle, anything on the entire exterior that could hinder our Icon Rocklear paint application. So something to note about our Icon paint application, if you've ever heard the term "you're only as strong as your weakest link," it's very, very similar to that, where if I put on a 15-year warranted coating on all of your paint and then, you know, there's a wax underneath, then the paint coating's not gonna last, right? It's not gonna last us 15 years. So we do the Icon Rip. It's put on almost like a buff, and we buff it on to remove any of the deeper swirls, deeper scratches, and all of the waxes and sealants in the pores of the clear coat. So after the Icon Rip stage, then we wash the vehicle again. So your vehicle actually gets 2 baths here. And then we'll bring it into our taping bays. We tape off everything that does not get coated with our Icon Rocklear. Only clear coat and gel coat can be done with Icon Rocklear. So anything that's trim, windows, wheels, that is all gonna be done with other traditional ceramic coatings. And only the paint gets coated with Icon. So we're gonna tape off the headlights, the taillights, the window trims, any of the emblems. We tape off anything that cannot get coated with Icon. We'll bring it into our booth. Our booth is temperature controlled, dust controlled. It's air exhausted and it's heated and ventilated and AC'd. And then, so it's the same temperature all year round. And then we bring it into the booth and we do a solvent prep to basically soften up your clear coat, and then we apply Icon on by hand. Now Icon is applied by hand, and it's actually one of the world's first self-leveling coatings, which is pretty awesome because when we apply it on by hand, unlike your traditional waxes or ceramics, we actually do not remove it. So once it's applied on by hand, it is never removed, which is awesome because that's how you get your strength, your thickness, your gloss, and your UV protection, is because we're not actually removing it once Icon is applied. Now after that's all done, we'll de-tape everything the next day, and then we'll go in and we will start doing our final coating. So depending on if you get the starter package or my showroom package, the starter package is the paint only getting coated, and the showroom package is the paint with the trims, the wheels, and the windows. So the trim coating gets what's called Fireball Aegis, and we do Fireball Aegis on all the headlights, the taillights, the front grille pieces, any black plastics, any mirrors, chrome, emblems, anything that's trim on the exterior of the vehicle we'll do with our Fireball Aegis. Then we do the rims. We use what's called Fireball Talon. That is a higher heat resistant coating to protect the rims from a lot of brake dust and road grime. And then we do all of our glass with what's called Fireball Glass Shield Pro, and that's an up to 2-year ceramic coating on all the glass to protect all of the glass on the exterior from a bunch of bugs sticking and tar and tree sap from sticking as well. So this GV80 from top to bottom, back to front, was completely coated. It looks awesome. We also did our 2 front tints with the quarter glass right here. We did that as well. So that's with our full ceramic film, and that's got a ton of IR and heat rejection, as well as it's got a lifetime warranty. We do shave the top of the edge so that it's completely factory looking. Man, this entire exterior just looks so perfect. It looks amazing. Man, I am so happy with how Icon came out, and this client is stoked. He's got 15 years now of protection on this exterior. Guys, if you're looking for any Icon Rocklear, you like this, give us a subscribe and leave a follow on this video, please. It helps us out so much. And if you're local to the area, give us a call. I'd be more than happy to help you. You can call us at 219-533-8783. Again, 219-533-8783. Or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment them down below, and hopefully we can help you out. And thanks again for watching. Aaron with Attention to Detail, out of here.